I've been testing Bitunix in the last couple of weeks, and to be honest, I'm super satisfied with not only the overlay and the platform, also with the trading fees. That's why I decided now also to do all my crypto trades on Bitunix. In this video, I will walk you through what is Bitunix, how you can deposit crypto, how you do spot trading, and also how futures trading is working. And I will also show you how you can open and close your long or short position. But before we dive in, just if you don't have a Bitunix account yet, just make sure to sign up using my link in the video description. There you get also a deposit bonus, trading fee discounts, and many more benefits for you. You find the link directly in the video description or also in the pinned comment. Bitunix has for me one of the cleanest and modern interface, as you can see it right now here. As soon as you get logged in, you have this interface here right now. Here on the right side, you have your language or your currency changing. Then you can also see your profile, so your ID number, your email address, and also later the security or the verification process. Also the settings you can do there. We will not go further into the settings because the main thing what we want to do is here trading Bitcoin or the other altcoins. For this, first of all, we can go here to our wallet. There we have the asset overview, so we see what is the amount in our wallet. So we have the spot amount, we have the futures amount, the earn amount, and also the copy trading amount. As you see it right now, there's no balance in my account because I just opened the account right now. So as soon as you made your login there, you can decide if you want to deposit or you want to buy crypto. If you have crypto on some other exchanges, just go to deposit. Then you can choose which coin you want to deposit. We can use here USDT, use the network. We have many different networks. That's very positive also for this exchange here. So we can use Tron, 𝗟𝗚𝗏20, Polygon, also BEP20. So many different networks we can use here. I will also deposit here from my other account. Then we created automatically this deposit address. We can copy here, or we can also scan the QR code. I will do this quickly to deposit here some crypto funds. In the meantime, as we are waiting for the deposit, I will also show you how you can deposit if you don't have any cryptos. Just go back here to your wallet. Then you can also use here buy crypto. Go for buy crypto. And then you have the possibility to buy crypto with your credit card or your Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever you want. You can just use it. Also bank transfer is working. So just press the amount you want to buy, maybe like $100. Then it shows which coin you want to buy, like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum. For us, it makes most sense to buy a USDT because we want to buy later a spot or we want to trade on futures. So we just go for USDT. Then we can choose how we want to pay, just like Visa card, MasterCard, or Apple Pay. And then you just go here to buy. So I choose here like Apple Pay. Just go to buy. And then it shows here you can confirm your order, and then it also get deposit on your account. As soon as we get our deposit, it shows here in our asset overview. So we have now here 100 USDT in our spot account. Then the next thing what we can do, we can further transfer the money from my spot account to my futures account, or also like in the other way around. So if I want to transfer the money from my futures account to my spot account, I can also do it here. First of all, I want to explain you the difference between spot and futures. So first of all, we can go here to spot. Then we have here the possibility to buy Bitcoin on spot. Spot means nothing else than you can buy Bitcoin here on this exchange, or if you also wanted to buy not Bitcoin like Ethereum, you can just go here and also change here the currency. You can also do your favorites here. If you do the favorites, it's just shown later here in the favorites sections. This is also very important if you want to do like futures trading on specific coins, or you bought some coins, you can put them all to your to your favorites, so you don't need to scroll about all other currencies right now there. You can just put it in the favorite section. If you also want to buy Bitcoin right now, you have the possibility to do this here with a limit order or with a market order. Limit order means nothing else. You make a price where you want to buy, you mean like maybe you want to buy Bitcoin if Bitcoin go again down to 110,000 US dollars, then you will make a limit order. Maybe here we can choose how many percent of our available balance we want to use. So now we have like 100 USDT balance over there. So we can use maybe like, if you want to use like a 25%, you can just press it like here, or also can use it, your order quality. So I make here now, let's make just like 10%. So you want to buy 10% of our current money on Bitcoin on spot here. If Bitcoin reach 110,000 US dollars, then we can click here on buy, and then it shows us a limit order. So as soon Bitcoin goes down to this kind of range here, to this limit of 110,000 US dollars, the limit order will get catched and we buy exactly over there. So this is also very important later for the futures trading. For the spot trading, for sure, also very important. If you want to cancel this order or you want to modify it, you can go here and go to modify. You can even put your take profit or your stop loss, can confirm it, and that's it. If you want to cancel it, just go here to cancel and the order will automatically cancel. If you want to buy Bitcoin right now or any coin directly from the market, you can just go here on market order. And then if you also choose here, like I want to buy now like 10 US dollars of Bitcoin exactly right now, you can just go there and click buy Bitcoin. And then it shows here the buy order and you order and you buy $10 of Bitcoin. If you're going now here in our wallet, it shows you now your spot back, like $99 is now inside. And then we have also here all coins listed out. I would definitely do hide zero balance assets because it doesn't make sense to hide all the coins we didn't have. So here now you can see your spot account. We have $90 left on USDT and we bought $10 in Bitcoin. So you see now the amount in Bitcoin here right now. When you go back to spot, you can also not buy this, you can also sell it. So we bought now $10 of Bitcoin. Then we can also do for sure sell the Bitcoin. So we have here now our available balance. So if you want to sell your Bitcoins, you can do this here right now. You can choose also the same, like which kind of amount. You can also choose this from USDT because we bought 10 USDT. So we can choose it what we want to sell here right now. Next part is the futures trading. And for futures trading, how it works. So with futures, you're trading contracts on the price, on the movement, not on the coin directly himself. So you can use exactly the same as on spot. You can buy a long position, so you can open a long, or you can open a short position, which means you can bet on the price goes up or the price goes down. So even as the same as on spot, you see directly here, it's super easy, a very nice and clear overview you have here on this platform, which is super amazing. But before we want to do futures trading, we need to go back to our assets because we have to transfer to our futures account. So we just go here to our asset, go to transfer, and then we can choose what coin we want to use or what amount we want to use. So we want now put all our spot account to our futures account. So just go submit, and then we see now we have on our spot account, we have our Bitcoin what we bought before, and on our futures account we have our $90 left. So we go back to our futures account, and then we can open a long or a short position. The difference between futures and spot is that we can use leverage here on futures. So we have the different models we can use. We have the margin mode. So we have the cross margin and the isolate margin. Cross margin means we have our whole amount used as our margin. For isolate, we only use the margin which we are give the trade for now. We can adjust later also the margin. So I definitely recommend you to use isolate margin because it gives you more on the safer side if the trade is running against you. So you can just adjust later your margin, but if the trade is running against you and you didn't use a stop loss or the stop loss didn't get triggered in the cross margin, your full account will be used. So I definitely prefer to use isolated margin. all the video is here not financial advices, especially like trading with leverage is super high risk in the crypto market. So definitely only invest the money you can definitely lose here. So always do your own research. I will also do on my YouTube channel some trading analysis, so you can use them also like an advice, but every time do your own research. So I do also isolated trading. We just go to confirm, and now we can choose here between some the same adjustment as on the spot trading. So we can use limit orders or market orders. Market orders make sense if you want to go in the market directly right now. Limit orders makes the most sense, especially like if you're following my trading analysis. I gave you a lot of limit orders also in my Telegram group. So you find a link to the Telegram group with the crypto ideas in the pinned comment below or in the video description. Just follow them. We are super profitable there. So just also make use of them. And you can also use here limit orders. So maybe I want to use a limit order right now from Bitcoin. If Bitcoin reach here this level, $117,600. So I press like here. I want to use how many percent of my my value. So I go to USDT and I want to choose maybe like 10% of my risks. And it shows me directly my liquidation price and also my liquidation price for the short position. I can adjust here my leverage. So I can use like one leverage. It means like you're trading like spot. If you can choose 2, 3, up to 125 leverage on open a long or short position. As higher you use the leverage, the more money can earn. So it means like if you trade here with with 10x, you have like $10 position. Not only $10 position on a spot trade, you have $10 position on a spot trade, like 1x. If you use it on futures, you have 10x, like means like 10x the amount. So you're using not $10, you're using then $100 in the asset or in the available funds you use. So I prefer definitely for you, as higher you go with the leverage, you're more risky, you can earn more money, but you can also lose more money. So keep this in mind. I would definitely prefer not to go higher than 10x leverage, even also the same for a short position. And keep in mind, use only the money you can definitely lose here. I will make here like a 10x leverage. We price here our limit orders. I can also adjust now here a take profit or a stop loss. I will keep this as it is right now, so I don't use it right now because I want to show you how you can adjust them. So you can just go here on open long, and then it shows you a quick overview. So your market price, where market is right now, where you have your limit orders, how many margin is used, and also the margin level. As soon margin level hits 100%, you get liquidated. You see here the fees. Even if you use my link in the video description, there you get also like the better conditions and also like better fees. So you save more on the fees. And if you also want to, and if you now press confirm, it shows us the limit order. Then we can adjust the limit order. So we see here now our open orders. So we see Bitcoin isolated 10x leverage, our long position, limit order, our price, our filled price, and we can add here now our take profit or our stop loss. Even this you can adjust anytime you want. So you can just go here with this slide. Then you see directly how many percent you will win. You can also use the trigger price. This is also what I use mainly for it. So I would use like my take profit would be like $120,000 and my stop loss would be like $115,000. So in this trade, or like we go here in 117, let's make $116,000. So in this trade, our price target is like $120,000. We make 20% profit. And if we are hitting, or if Bitcoin is hitting $116,000, we lose 13%. We just go to confirm, and then it shows here right now our updates. So as soon we get here, and we're zooming a little bit out, going here in the charts. So you see we have also here a chart loading. I prefer to using trading view directly, but you can also use this for your trading analysis. And now we have here our limit order, our stop loss, and also our take profit. We can adjust this anytime as we want. So we can just go here and adjust this anytime as we want. Same also for the take profit. And if you want to cancel the order, we just go here and press cancel, and then the orders is canceled. So I will also show you how you can go directly in the market. So we want to go directly in the market, and we go to market. We can use here our slide, how many percent we want to use. Maybe I want to use like 10% now. And then we can just go to press open long, confirm. And now we are directly in the market. So you see here, we open a long position. We go here for the 1 hourly chart, to 1 minute chart, you can directly see it. So here we see our position. Then we can also adjust this. So we can have here our positions. Limit order, we can here go and adjust our position. So we want to make also like a stop loss and also like a take profit. So if the trade is going to 117,000 US dollars, we lose our trade like 6.3%. And if the trade is reaching 118,000 US dollars, we make 2% profit. We can just go to confirm, and then we have it here right now. We have our take profit, we have our stop loss over there. Even this we can also adjust here. You can see I can adjust this even with my mouse. Same for the stop loss. You see you can put it here anywhere you want to go. Now you see also like the unrealized positions and also the realized positions. Now we are kind of like on break even. When I close this position, we can just go here and put close. And we see also our position size. So we see here we put our margin $88.20. We use 10x leverage, so we have a position size 10x higher, so $82. And our liquidation price, so our position got liquidated. Even we use a stop loss, so we got out at 117,000 US dollars. But even if we don't use a stop loss, we have a liquidation price where all our position get closed on 106,000 US dollars. And we can adjust anytime our margins. So if we're going closer to our liquidation price, we can add here margin. So maybe we want to add like $5 more. We add $5 more, confirm. And then we see directly here, we have a new margin of $13. And the new liquidation price changed now to 99,000 US dollars. To be honest, I don't think Bitcoin will go under 100,000 US dollars. So here we are kind of safe. But what we can see that is we are not using 10x on this account now for the position size. This is only the margin we used it before. So this is very important to know. And if you want to close, or if you want to close this position right now, we can just go here and close. Or we can also close like a part of the position. So we can go here like maybe like close only 50% of the position. We can choose here like 50% and then press close. And then it shows us here our P&L, what we will close, our netto profits. And then we can go here confirm. And then it shows us we are closed this position. Half the position is still open. You see we have before it's like the margin of $13. Now we have a margin of $7 in it. So we are here then the halfway close the position. If you want to close the complete position, just go here and go for flash close, or you can put it like here, just go there and confirm, and then full position is closed. We see it here in the order history, our position. So we see here our open position. We close the half of the position and we close also the other half of the position. So we can see it here that we have closed both position in profit. Even on the chart, it's marked our entry and also our exit price. And if you go here on details, we can see our completely details about the position himself. The next thing what you can do is do copy trading here. So you just can copy all my trades. Just go here to copy trading or click the link in the video description. There you'll find a link directly to my copy trading account. There we can copy all my trades on automatic. So you just need to do nothing. Just the the platform will copy my trades automatically. So if I go in a long position on Bitcoin, it copy the position also on your account, just with the same amount of trade. So maybe I use like a 5% of my risk, I will use 5% also of your risk, or the account will use also 5% of your risk. Even doesn't matter what kind of balance you have. You find the link directly here under this video. Go here on my account and just go and press copy. Or you can choose the trader. You find the link to my trading or to my copy trading account directly in the video description. Just press there, press copy, and then you will also end up here. If you also want to explore some other traders, you can also go there. And then you see here some adjustments you need to do before you want to start. So you can just go here and make the information. So you just go like multiplier, and then you can choose here. You need to put first of all money on the account, so just keep it like here, and then you can choose how much amount you want to use. So you can use, like, if you have an account from $100, you can use $100 or less, or you can also use fixed amount per orders. So you can just choose, like, I would only use like $10 per order, $20 per order, or $100 per order. You can just choose it as you want, and just go here, and I have read all the agreements, and then start also copy, and then you will also automatically follow the trader, also follow my copy trading, and then you just only need to press copy, and then you will follow automatically the trader. Yeah, that's basically all about Bitunix. So yeah, now you know definitely how to use copy trading, how you can buy spot on Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other altcoins, or you can also use futures trading with leverage. So super simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, subscribe. Definitely also for more tutorials, I will also share on my channel daily updates about crypto ideas. So definitely take also advantage of this. And don't forget, if you don't have an Bitunix account right now, use the link in the video description for sign up on Bitunix. You get there the best trading conditions. Claim your deposit bonus right now over there. And then we see in the next video, and happy trading for you.